What if the Roman Empire had harnessed steam power? Imagine a world where the Romans, already masters of engineering, stumbled upon steam long before the Industrial Revolution. Instead of relying on slaves, horses, and manual labor, the Romans could have tapped into steam to power their civilization, unlocking a new era of technology, expansion, and influence. First, let's consider their infrastructure. The Roman aqueducts, marvels of their time, carried water across vast distances to supply cities with fresh water. But what if these aqueducts didn't just serve a practical purpose? What if they also powered massive steam engines? The Romans could have built steam-powered mills to grind grain faster, or steam-driven pumps to help with irrigation, extending their agricultural reach even further into the empire's arid corners. Roman architecture would have been transformed too. The Colosseum, already a symbol of Roman engineering, could have evolved into an arena powered by steam. Moving platforms, retractable floors, steam-driven lifts, and even mechanical animals could have emerged, creating a spectacle that was far beyond anything we can imagine today. Gladiators would fight not just with swords and shields, but against steam-powered machines or other gladiators in mechanical suits, taking the thrill of combat to uncharted territories. Then there's transportation. The Romans built some of the most advanced roads in the ancient world, allowing for the rapid movement of legions, merchants, and travelers across their empire. With steam power, these roads could have supported faster, more efficient chariots, or even early trains, making it easier to move resources, armies, and people at a pace never seen before. Imagine fleets of steam-powered ships crossing the Mediterranean, reducing travel time between Rome and the farthest reaches of the empire. Trade would flourish, not just in luxury goods but in new technologies, philosophies, and innovations that could quickly ripple through the empire. This shift could have revolutionized military strategy. The Roman legions were already formidable, but with steam-powered machinery. They could have had tanks long before the modern age, steam-driven war machines, capable of tearing through enemy defenses, or even steam-powered boats that moved quickly and silently across rivers and seas could have cemented Rome's dominance. In fact, warfare might have evolved at an entirely different pace, with Romans leading the charge in technological military advancements. Agriculture would have benefited too. With steam power, Roman farmers could have used engines to plow fields or harvest crops at a scale never before imagined. Large industrial farms could have flourished, allowing the empire to support an even larger population.
Oh.
The need for manual labor would have been dramatically reduced, and Rome's empire could have sustained itself even longer. And let's not forget the potential for everyday life. With steam-powered technology, the Romans might have created early versions of automation, allowing people to work less and enjoy more leisure time. The innovations we associate with the Industrial Revolution might have been accelerated by centuries. Could it be that the Romans would have invented computers, electric lighting, or even flight? As the empire expanded its technological prowess, one could envision a world where the Romans didn't just dominate the Mediterranean. They could have spread their influence into the far corners of the earth. An empire with such advanced technology would have posed a far more daunting challenge for any rival, from the Persians to the Huns. But this also raises a key question. If the Romans had developed steam power, would their empire have reached even greater heights? Or would their innovation have eventually led to their downfall? Would steam-powered technology have been the spark for their empire's longevity, or would it have created new pressures and conflicts, eventually leading to the empire's collapse in a different yet equally catastrophic manner? Could the power of steam have reshaped the course of history in ways we can't even fathom? Or would it have been just another chapter in the rise and fall of one of the greatest empires the world has ever known?